Exploring the school library, a gateway to learning. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, school library. It's a common term, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out together. A school library is more than just a room with books. It's a dynamic space within a school where students and teachers have access to a variety of resources. These include books, magazines, computers, and other multimedia materials. It's a place for reading, learning, and researching. The school library plays a crucial role in the educational journey. It's not just about borrowing books. It's a center for knowledge and discovery. Libraries often host events like reading clubs, author visits, and educational workshops, making them vibrant learning hubs. School libraries are invaluable for both students and teachers. They provide access to information. With a wide range of books and online resources, students can explore subjects deeply. Development of research skills. Libraries teach students how to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. Encouragement of reading. A well-stocked library can instill a love for reading, which is fundamental for language learning. Using a school library is simple. 1. Get a library card. This allows you to borrow materials. 2. Explore the catalog. Find books and resources you're interested in. 3. Ask the librarian. They're there to help you find what you need and recommend great reads. 4. Participate in library activities. Engage in events to enhance your learning experience. We hope this video has shed light on the wonderful world of school libraries. They're more than just book repositories. They're gateways to a world of knowledge and discovery. Happy reading and learning!